Hello guys, welcome on my YouTube channel cx500, how to restore an engine. Yesterday I painted it in primer, first coat. Now I'm giving it a metallic paint. I have preheated the engine and now I'm going to use this paint, number 040100. It's the darker type, it is not the brightest. Ventilation on. It's a little bit darker, this coat paint. Don't expect to paint the whole engine in one go. Lay several layers on the surface of the engine and don't do it too thick. What you want to see is a fine gloss of shine, and that's all. It doesn't help to paint it very thick. What you want is everywhere the same amount of paint. And I have mounted those bolts here, specially made, and that's a lot easier to paint several places on the engine. It makes it a lot easier. First I'm going to paint the places you don't see, because you're not lying on the ground watching the engine from beneath. That's not painted there. The engine is a little bit heated, about 25 degrees. That's too thick there. It's too shiny at the moment. So you stop spraying there. Also there, it's too thick. It's too shiny, so I have to stop painting there. So, I see a spot there, it's not painted. I'm still not finished yet, because I have to do the biggest problem at all. This side is not painted very well. There is some paint on, but I want to have it nice, and also therein. Also there, it's not enough. I think I'm almost finished. Also there's not enough. And that's not painted, and there also not enough. It's difficult to paint this engine because there are not straight surfaces. Ah, shit. So, because I have everywhere bolts in it, you can turn it around to rest it around. So, now the finishing touch. Yes. I'm going to be very happy. Don't worry, let me show you. Don't worry, when it is not finished here, you won't see it when you are finished. Yes. It looks very well. There, a little bit more. I'm finished. I'm happy with it. That's good. Now I'm going to lay it aside because I want to have it rest for 24 hours. So. Don't worry. That was too thick. So, also this one, I rest for 24 hours, maybe longer, because when I'm going to spray this with clear coat, the surface has to be dry. And also the clear coat, I take my time to paint it, because when you do it on one day, several layers, maybe 6 layers, there are here I think 3 layers of paint, metallic paint on it. It has to dry. If I put in the midday of later on this day clear coat, you will find cracks after a half year. I painted it too fast and you get little cracks inside the clear coat. If you let it dry for a longer period and with the clear coat you are a little bit cautious and paint it in more days and more layers, the cracks don't appear. That's the way to do it. When I look closer I see no drippings, but I have seen it's too thick here. You have to learn from that. And you want to have a finish shine everywhere the same. Then you know you are painted the thing very well. Also you see little holes inside the aluminium. You can't get it away. That's the surface. It's damaged by corrosion. And when you paint it very well, yes, you will see that through the paint. You can do nothing about that. But this engine cover is already very nice. Look, compared to the engine, when you look at the old engine, you see a huge difference. Yes, and that engine I hope to sandblast it today and painted it like that, and then you will find out that I have making more movies about how to restore a CX engine. Thanks for watching, thumbs up, subscribe my channel, and maybe I see you next time. Bye bye.